So as programmers, we often wonder, what is the future of my field? Today we're diving into the future of software development. What trends and technologies will shape the industry this year, 2025, and beyond? Let's get right into it. The software development landscape is evolving rapidly, really, with new technologies and methodologies emerging every year. In this video, we'll explore those key trends that set transformation in the industry. From AI and quantum computing to new development paradigms, there's just a lot to cover in this industry. I think the first one you think about, which we actually see in our day to day world now, is AI and machine learning. AI making videos, AI helping us write video scripts, AI helping us, format our text messages, Apple Intelligence, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot. There's just a whole lot of them that has happened in the past year, and the trend will still continue this year. These technologies are already revolutionizing how we develop software. In 2025 and beyond, expect to see even more advanced AI tools that can assist with code generation, debugging, and optimization. Of course, that's for developers. There's also AI powered IDs, which will become more common. That gives you essentially real time suggestions and error detection. I use one every day, GitHub Copilot. This essentially will significantly reduce development time and help us improve code quality generally. There's no reason to fear AI, really. I don't fear AI. I will use AI to my own benefit. So watch out and use. The next one is quantum computing. What, of course, is still in its early stages. Quantum computing promises to solve complex problems that our classical computers cannot handle. This will essentially open up new possibilities for software development, especially in fields like cryptography, optimization, and large-scale simulation. The use cases are just endless. Now, developers might or will need to learn new programming languages and paradigms to harness the power of quantum computing. It's an exciting frontier, really, that will push the boundaries of what is possible in our world and hopefully beyond. And of course, there's 5G and edge computing. 5G is already here. Edge computing is also here already. Revolutionalization will also continue, and it will impact how we build and deploy our apps. With ultra fast internet speeds, 5G will enable real-time applications and IoT devices to communicate seamlessly. Edge computing will also complement 5G by allowing data processing to occur closer to the source. Imagine having my own cloud instance right here in my studio. Now, this will be crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and remote healthcare. Imagine not having to contact a remote Azure server somewhere 300 miles away, but right beside you while you're driving on the highway. The other one, of course, is DevOps and continuous integration and continuous deployment. DevOps practices will continue to evolve, even with greater emphasis on automation of our CI/CD pipelines. In the future, we'll see more intelligent automations happen. Also, these tools will hopefully be able to predict issues and help us optimize our deployment process. Imagine a tool that will help me see, oh, this pipeline is going to take 30 minutes to run. If you do XYZ, it's going to help you cut it down to 10 minutes. That would be phenomenally awesome. And this will essentially lead to faster releases, more reliable software, and of course, continuous learning will always be key for us because we will be staying ahead of this rapidly changing tech landscape. Also, another thing to watch out for is the low code and no code platform. They are currently democratizing software development, and as developers, we should not shy away from it, really. I use no code low code tools every day also, even as someone who knows how to write code, because something I would probably sit down and write code for 16 hours, I could do it in 25 minutes with no code too. Just makes life easy. Low code, no code tools allow non-developers to create apps using visual interfaces and preview components. Even developers can use it to automate some of their mundane tasks. I use it, so there's no point not using it. Low code and no code will not replace traditional software development. They will complement it. That is what they are coming to do. They will complement it by enabling faster prototyping, empowering more people to bring their ideas to life. This trend will continue to grow. We cannot fight it, and it will become more accessible to everyone. Now, as software becomes more integrated into our daily lives, cybersecurity and privacy would be more important than ever. Privacy is already a concern. Security is already a concern. It will only become more concerns for us. Now, developers, this comes to us now. We will need to prioritize secure coding practices and stay updated on the latest threats of the evil one. Of course, evil people are the one that brings the threats. Expect to see more advanced security tools and frameworks that help developers build secure apps from the ground up. Privacy by design will become a standard practice this year and beyond. Zero trust is already a standard. So, sustainable software development practices is becoming a key consideration in our industry. As tech industry grows, so does the environmental impact. Generate it, our servers generate it, even the Mac minis, the MacBooks, the slim books, the AI pieces of this world, they generate it. No matter how eco-friendly we call them, they still have some level of environmental impact. So sustainable development will need to adopt sustainable practices to minimize our carbon footprint. We might have a carbon neutral computer, but is our coding really carbon neutral? We need to ask ourselves those questions. Now, this, of course, you probably are thinking it involves optimizing our code to be energy efficient. You probably wonder what is energy efficient code? Code that runs as quickly as possible and shuts down. Also, using renewable energy sources for data centers, designing software that supports sustainable business models. It is our responsibility, you and I as developers, as DevOps engineers, to use technology to the benefit of our planet and our society. Because find the future of work in software development is changing. Remote work and distributed teams are becoming the norms. Thanks to advancements in collaboration tools and communication technologies, the metaverse, AI, and stuff, and communication are becoming easier day by day. Simply what it is. So remote work is here to stay. Hybrid work is here to stay, depending on what company you work for. Personally, I don't believe everyone should go to work 100 full time anymore. I don't personally, except you are fully needed there physically to be there. We should, if your work does not require you to be in the office, you do not have to be. Only go to see people's faces. That is what I personally believe in this age and time now, especially when COVID has taught us that we can work remotely and hybrid, except we are frontline workers. This shift will continue with more emphasis on flexible work arrangements and fostering work-life balance. Really, companies will need to adapt so that they can attract the top talent with this new era of work. I know where I'm taking that. Pretty much okay. Let me stop all the rambling. That's it for today's video, really, on the future of software development. I hope you found this insight really helpful and exciting. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech content like this one. Let me also know in the comments what tech trends you are most excited about. On to the next trend. Happy coding.